We're at Vinpearl in Halong Bay. Halong Bay? Coming into room 525. This is our first look at the room. This is the executive suite. Executive suites all in here. So it's got a living room, very nice, with large TV, and then we've got a balcony.
Wait, that be open. No.
Balcony, and a nice pool out overlooking Halong Bay, which will be fantastic to see. We've got sort of in the center of the hotel. And you'll notice that it's a little bit hazy. Haziness is, I think, pollution from coming in from China, which is just the north of where we are here. Oh, and there's a pool down below us as well. Look, point down there.
Indoor.
Ooh, look, it's an indoor pool. We got the outdoor pool. We got an outdoor pool. We've got so many pools we don't know what to do. And then head into the king size suite. And oh, we got a second balcony here. It's separated from the first one, so two balconies. And I just noticed something. I think there's two bathrooms. Check out the first one. Actually, this is the master bathroom with a full shower, but also a pedestal tub. And we've got, and then, hello, yes. Yeah. And then there's a second balcony.